Are you tired of scrolling endlessly through YouTube without getting paid for your time? Well, what if we told you that you can earn $3 for every 90 seconds of video you watch on a special platform? And the best part is that it's completely free. Now, you might be wondering, how is that even possible? We hear you loud and clear. In this video, I'll be answering all your questions and going into detail about a super easy and fun money-making method that anybody can do. All you need is a YouTube account. And we'll show you how to use this unique platform to maximize your earnings and become a top earner. You'll be amazed at how simple and straightforward it is. But wait, it gets even better. You get to choose from a whole load of payment options like PayPal, Litecoin, Airtem, Skrill, and more. This means that you can receive your payment in the way that is best for you, whether you prefer to use a digital wallet, direct deposit, or any other payment method. The choice is yours. Speaking of cash, if you want to participate in our new $1,000 giveaway, make sure to visit our friend's YouTube channel, Emma Collins, which will be linked in the description box down below. She posts money-making online tutorials every single day. And in one of the next videos on her channel, you will find instructions for the $1,000 giveaway sponsored by Online Hustle. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel with notifications on. Now we know you're eager to learn more about this magical platform that can help you earn money just by watching YouTube videos. But before we reveal the website name, there's one thing you need to do first: sign up for a free account on one of the payment platforms we just mentioned. Trust us, it's quick and easy, and you'll be on your way to earning in no time. So, are you ready to make some serious cash just by watching YouTube videos? Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your time into profit. Stay tuned, and we'll reveal the website that can make it happen. First, let me tell you a little bit about the website we're going to be using. It's a virtual marketplace that connects entrepreneurs with freelancers from all over the world. And the best part, you can start earning serious cash just by completing simple, low-cost tasks. Whether you're searching for a side hustle to support your income or simply want to earn money while watching videos, this website has got you covered. No technical expertise or prior experience is necessary, and you can work whenever you have free time. The possibilities are endless, and people are earning money every single day. Some are earning just a few bucks, while others are bringing in hundreds or even thousands of dollars. On the website, you can see the most recent tasks that have been completed, along with the workers' nicknames and total compensation. And if you're wondering if this is all too good to be true, they even offer payment proof for you to check out. You'll see the most recent withdrawal request along with the chosen payment methods and withdrawal amounts. These are the amounts that people have withdrawn. So now it's finally time to reveal the website name. It's none other than Sprout Gigs. Now, we're not saying you're going to get mega rich with Sprout Gigs, but it's definitely a great way to increase your existing income. In fact, I would say that it is probably my favorite way of earning because of how easy it is. Okay, so let's get you started on your journey to earning cash with Sprout Gigs. First things first, head on over to their website and sign up for a free account. This is where the magic happens. It's a super easy process. Just fill out your real name, email address, password, nickname, and country of origin. They're welcoming visitors from all corners of the globe, so don't worry if you're not in the US or Canada. Once you've got all your info entered, select I'm a worker and accept their terms and privacy policy. Then hit that sign up button and voila! You're now an official member of the Sprout Gigs family and ready to start earning money online. After successfully creating your account, log in and feast your eyes on all the available jobs. There are a whole load of different tasks to choose from, so you're definitely going to find something that you're interested in and matches your skills. From watching videos, testing websites and apps, to completing surveys and other micro tasks, there's something for everyone. And don't worry if you're feeling a bit lost. I've got your back. I'll walk you through it step by step, so you'll know exactly what to do to maximize your earnings. But hey, wait up for a moment. Let's pause and show some love to this channel first. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. We appreciate your support and want to keep bringing you great content. And if this video has been helpful and entertaining, we'd love to hear your feedback. Drop us a comment in the section below and tell us your thoughts. We're always looking for ways to improve and give you the best experience possible. So, your feedback is valuable to us. Alright, let's dive back into the video. Just a heads up, the amount of money you can make really depends on the task you choose to complete. But don't worry, Sprout Gigs has got you covered. They provide an estimated earning on the right-hand side of the screen so you can easily decide if it's worth your time. Okay, now let's dive into the fun part. Click that Apply Now button and let's switch to the video marketing category. You won't believe how many gigs are waiting for us to pick and get paid for. And get this, you can actually make money just by watching videos. Can you imagine earning cash while chilling on your couch in your comfiest clothes and just clicking a button? It's that easy. Once you select a task that interests you, all you need to do is provide some basic personal info like your city and birthday, And of course, they'll ask you a security question for verification purposes. After that, you'll be able to see how much money you can make just by watching a simple video. And who knows, you might even enjoy the video and learn something new in the process. Now, the first step is to head over to youtube.com and search for specific keywords related to the task you want to complete. But wait, no copying and pasting. You're going to type it out yourself, so put those fingers to work. Once you've found a video, it's time to look for a specific thumbnail. This step is crucial, so make sure you don't skip it. Now, here's where the fun starts. You can start earning money by watching videos. But hold on, you don't have to spend hours sitting in front of your screen. All you have to do is watch the video for at least 9 minutes, but you don't have to listen to it. Just mute it and let it play in the background while you do other things. You can even hit the like button for some extra points. Alright, so if you head over to the micro job section, you can find loads more opportunities waiting for you. One super easy way to make money is by simply interacting with content. Yes, you read that right. You can get paid just for liking Facebook posts with a single click. It's like getting paid to show your support for your favorite brands and businesses. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even earn money by visiting websites after clicking on a link. It's a great way to earn a little extra dough while you're surfing the web. Now, I know what you're thinking, but how much does it pay? Well, the truth is that the pay may not be that much, but it's definitely worth it considering how little effort it takes. And let's face it, every penny counts. If you're looking for a side hustle, you could use the money you earn from Sprout Gigs to invest in something that will grow over time. Plus, they offer jobs that only require your email, name, payment info to sign up for various platforms. You can literally choose from thousands of different jobs and complete as many as you want. The best thing about all of this is that you can do them all from the comfort of your own home and watch the money add up in no time. And don't be surprised if you see some users making thousands of dollars on this site. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching this video about Sprout Gigs, a fantastic platform that can help you make money online, whether you're looking for some extra cash or a way to supplement your income. This website offers a whole load of simple and easy to complete tasks that can earn you money. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Sprout Gigs today and start earning money online. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.